Okay, Lyndon. So you asked for Groundhog. And you wanted a slowed down version, and I'm happy to play that for you. What you're hearing is that other YouTube version. I wanted to see what, because I was thinking I'd played it on my minstrel banjo, so I'm actually playing sort of in a G type tuning, although I'm playing the key of D because it's low. But let me turn that off. But we're gonna play in the same key, but we're gonna play it in a double D tuning on a regular old banjo. I'm hoping that's what you want, that you don't have like a long scale banjo and want to do it the way it was on the other video. Well, so let me know. We'll try to do that. So we're in a double D tuning. Although it's a kind of a modal tune. It's this note. So. Again, second string, D, second string, open third string. So that's 5th fret, 3rd fret, 5th fret, open, and then back on this D. So I usually slide this way. You can slide either way. And you can put in a drop thumb if you want there. So if you want, or not if you want. That's the first string again. Second string, and then here's a third string. Or don't forget a ditty at the end. You could also put in the drop thumb, like I said. You could put bum diddy bum, bum diddy drop thumb diddy dum dum bum bum, or bum diddy bum diddy drop thumb ba bum. There's a myriad of ways you could do that. And then the last line. So here's the whole thing in case you want a big picture view. That's the second string. So once more, really, really slowly. There's really only one part, and that tune makes my head hurt because once a friend of mine and I were just farting around singing Groundhog, and we got to the verse about get a pull and twist him out, and we both bent our heads down and conked them together so hard. I've only ever been hit on the head one other time in my life that hard. I mean, I saw stars and I was immediately absolutely furious. I could have killed my friend, and she was the same way. It was a weird reaction, being hit on the head. It only lasted for a moment, but it was strange. So I swear my head hurts when I play this tune, but I still like it. All right, I hope that helps.